Hi friend, Marian here at potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's share with you our book sale haul SM North EDSA. So today, we are in North EDSA kasi nagpa 5,000, 10,000 kilometers, 8,000, umabot na ng 8,000 kilometers yung car ni Popsy. So he has to go to Toyota for yung regular maintenance. So yun. But while I was in North EDSA, Daniel called up na I have to register or list sa ultrasound si baby E, no? So sa SM North. So yan, but we were able to buy one sa book sale SM North EDSA. Yung isa kasi we're still reading. We're not sure kung ibabay natin. No? Pero mga inspiration siya about soul. Ganyan. Maganda din siguro siya. Love, laughter, and romance. So, wonderful suggestion and delightful ideas for couples who want to stay close, have fun, and keep the enchantment alive. Ayan. Yan. This is our only haul for today kasi nga na-cut ang ating book sale adventure because Daniel asked us to help him mag-register sa ultrasound sa baby bond in SM North. So, hindi natin sila iniwan kasi we are worried kay baby E kung medyo much activity last night. So, na-worry si Erica and Daniel. So, we have to go to the ultrasound center as advised by the OB-GYN. So, yan. We only have one haul today. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.